me show you. So each month you get 10 credits. This is where you can see the light. Right now, I just turned it on so you guys have a visual of what the garden looks like with the light on. But right now, it typically would be already off. By 9:30, I shut it down. And it'll tell you if the light schedule that you have is a good schedule. See down here, this is your light schedule. You can manually set it, and I manually set it so that it didn't overpower. I started noticing some of the greens getting a little, and I manually set it so that it didn't, not burn, but you know, the leaves were getting a little off. So I just set it to be a little more dim at certain times of the day, and it's still enough light. It tells you that it's a great light schedule that you have set. So we're doing good so far. This is what it looks like when it's off. And this is it dim. And this is when it's on boost. So it's a little bit brighter, but I love it. I love this thing. So I'm going to set it on dim for right now. This is where you can see the water level. This is my name for my garden, Bee's Hive. You can name it whatever you. This is where you can see the water level. This is my name for my garden, Bee's Hive. You can name it whatever you'd like. And Kelby will set a watering schedule. So where is it? Where is the watering schedule? Oh, right here. So you touch the water and that'll tell you how many gallons you have in it. It holds 5 gallons. I have to change my water out, so I've left it so that it can just use the water that's remaining in there since it has plant food already in it. But it has a preset schedule, and you can change it if you'd like. If you don't like the schedule that it has set for you, you can change that. It gives you a breakdown of where each pod that you get goes. So the best lighting for it, you don't have to do the work yourself. This has it all mapped out for you, which is the beauty of this garden. It's set up to be successful. You're going to harvest, you're going to have successful, growing, beautiful plants. And it shows just in the green. Look at the colors, look at the hues, look at the purple and the purple kohlrabi. We have the yellow Swiss chard. Oh, it's watering right now. Perfect timing. So this is my water schedule. And right now it's watering. It waters twice a day. So once in the morning time at around, I want to say 11 in the morning. And right now at night. Typically the lights would be off, but it's still getting watered. And you see that the plants are really flourishing. They are loving the plant food. They're loving the water, the light schedule, everything about it. It wouldn't be this successful if there was something wrong with the schedules that I have set on it. And there's nothing so far. We have come across no issues. There was something wrong with the schedules that I have set on it. And there's nothing so far. We have come across no issues. I love it. Let me see. So we had...
Let me go ahead and pin this product
Go ahead.
Quick for you.
We had 2 pods that struggled in the beginning, and maybe it was just, you know, a newbie error that I may have created, but 2 of my pods didn't germinate. And in the beginning, germinating is the phase of when the seed is starting to grow and sprout out of its pod. So 2 of them didn't germinate, which is why we have this red cap up here. I don't know if you see it. So when they don't germinate, you want to remove, you see it. So when they don't germinate, you want to remove that cap when the germination phase is over. And germination phase, when it's over, you're now going to be giving your plant some nutrients. So if you're new to gardening, you're going to learn about the nutrients and all of that stuff. But this gives you a whole breakdown on how to put in the nutrients. They provide you the nutrients for your food to thrive. And it has this little pocket down here, right by the dill, under here. That's where you would fill up your tank.
No. Probably just go right into this
What?
one.
You ever?
And show like all the plants one by one.